have to take chances in life. You know, if you want your life to be something special, you eventually have to take a chance. You can't do normal things and expect extraordinary results. It doesn't work that way. You have to take an exceptional chance one time. And it's gonna cost you something that you care deeply about. Bishop Jakes told me one time, he said, in order to get to the next level in life, you can see where you wanna go, but it's a glass ceiling. The reason you can see it is because it's a glass ceiling. In order to break through a glass ceiling, you're gonna have to shatter the glass. Anytime you shatter the glass, it's gonna be blood shed. And the blood that you shed is gonna be something that you care deeply about. So if you are not willing to shed something you care deeply about, you cannot go to the next level.
6K, ladies and gentlemen. 6K. We did it. We did it. This is such a big achievement for myself. I really wasn't expecting the channel to grow the way it's been growing. I'm truly thankful for all the support I've been getting. I've met some amazing people, some amazing friends along this journey. This journey has been crazy and fun also. So it goes both ways, but I've learned a lot on this journey, and I learned a lot of patience, a lot of discipline, and a lot of focus, because you could definitely lose focus, but you have to continue to press on. When things ain't looking right, keep moving forward. All right? I love y'all. Thank you so much. And we're gonna shoot for 10K. I love y'all. Kool Zone out.